ko lang kasi yung oras niya. So bear with me na lang, 'di ba? So ganyan naman tayo, 'di ba? So sige, pakita ko ulit mamaya, guys. So now I have to check. Everyone, I always gonna say thank you to all my subscribers, and I'm still looking forward to those people that who wanted to subscribe. I really appreciate that, and please let's do it together. Subscribe, hit that subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for the next vlog. Thank you so much, guys, for watching for my old clip and still watching right now for my new recipe that I'm going to share to you right now. For now, I'm just only making a rotisserie. It's a leftover, and then no one will eat it anymore. So this is the things that I'm going to do. Here in the Philippines, is actually a Letchon Manok from Chokes to Go or roasted chicken or whatever. But here, sa place nila is meron silang rotisserie, tinatawag na Rotisserie Chicken. Tapos I already cut it like this. This is a leftover, so I will make it a twist. You can make a twist also for a Letchon Manok or whatever. So this time I will make it a twist. In that way, everybody will eat, and my son and my hubby will eat, and then let's go start it. And now I'm not using a red lips. I'm using my, pinkest thing. I forgot what it's called, but now I will start it. I will not talk anymore. So now I'll show you the ingredients that I needed. Actually, this is already salty. I don't know what happened to their flavor. It's very salty, so I don't need to put salt anymore, and a what you call this one, soy sauce. So now I'm using a black pepper, lemon paper. I really like this. It's like a dry lemon, and then they put it together of the black pepper. So now I'm going to use this again. If we don't have this, in the Philippines wala tayo nito. So okay lang din. Like what I said, it doesn't change the flavor. It's still the same. And Magic Sarap sa lahat. Magic Sarap sa lahat ng mga mga Filipino dyan, kaway-kaway, comments na ginagamit nyo rin ito na pangpasarap. Konti lang kasi, be careful tayo din. And ito, garlic, onion, half lang onion. Then, instead I'm using soy sauce, I'm using rotisserie. What the? Ano ba yun? Ang rambog-rambog na yung mga sinasabi ko. Oyster sauce and vinegar. Like what I said, you can use other kind of vinegar. It's not because this is the one I show you, the apple cider vinegar. You can also different, even yung sa atin, anong tinatawag sa atin, mga Bisaya dyan, tuba. Yung ginagawa nilang suka. Oh my God, ang sarap niya. Butangan mo lagyan mo siya ng garlic, luya, and then sili. Oh my God, that's a very good dip sa lahat. Gusto ko yan. Miss ko na yan. Wala kasi yan dito, pero miss ko na yan. But anyway, lalagyan ko siya ng kaunting sugar. This is sugar po. Kaunting sugar lang, but not overpower sweet. Para di malalaman ng habit pa na nilalagyan ko ng sugar kasi hindi talaga siya kumakain ng sweet. So anyway, I will start it right now. I'm gonna slice it. Slice all the ingredients. And then you have to put it everything. Slice ko lang siya. And then kahit anong size ng onion niyo, it will do. Okay lang siya. Kumusta kayo lahat dyan sa Pilipinas, sa iba't ibang mundo? I hope everything is well. I hope that everybody is happy, and even though may mga problema, kaya ano na lang natin, watch my clip na lang para mawala yung problema ninyo. Ilagay ko na lang siya right away sa sa pot, 'di ba? Kasi para di na masyadong marami pang mahuhugasan later on. Kasi ako rin naman lang yung nanghuhugas. So now everybody, if you are also having a lechon manok, you can also do that a twist, like iba-ibang twist. You can fry it, you can also gisahin mo siya with vegetable or kahit anong putahe na gusto nyo. Kasi masasayang kasi siya pag it was just only like that, leftover. Sayang naman, tayo mga Pilipino, dapat talaga di tayo nagsasayang, di ba? Talaga tayo, tipid-tipid. Ako, tipid-tipid ako talaga. Kasi, sayang naman. So, dapat tipid-tipid lang. So, 3 cloves of garlic. Then, ilagay ko na siya sa lagayan, sa pot hag. Nilagay ko na siya. And then, I'm gonna add some lemon pepper. Just like maybe a 1/4. And then, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Actually, di na siya overpowered kasi may na siya, pepper na siya. And Magic Sarap, just only a little bit to make it, nabuboy na naman yung ice ko! Dahil sa onion. So, ito guys, kaunti lang siya kasi mahal din to. Tipid-tipid talaga kasi wala tayong mga budget. Yung mga wala pang budget, diba? Titipirin talaga natin. Kasi, help na rin sa husband natin, diba? So, kaunti lang siya. Kasi malalaman talaga ng hubby ko na I put a lot of vinegar. So, ganyan lang siya. So, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then, lagyan mo siya ng kaunting tubig. Kaunting tubig lang siya. Kaunting tubig. Ano ba yan? Kaunting tubig. Kunti lang siya. Then, tapos, everything is in here, so we have to mix it. I like to mix that before you put it on the stove. Or kahit anong lutuan ninyo, it will do, 'di ba? Diyan naman tayo nag-start. Ang buhay ay parang gulong-gulong 'yan, 'di ba? Dati din kami, nakatry ko din pumunta ng sa forest na para magkuha ng mga kahoy, and then ilalagay ko siya dito, papapasin ko, never mind for my, kasi ang laki lang. So, ipapasan ko siya, and then yung wood, ginagamit namin pang luto dati. Pero ngayon, meron na kasi mga, nakabili na, utang pa yun ng mama ko, hindi siya utang, binili talaga. May stove na siya na nabili, so ganyan. So, okay lang yan. Wala namang problema na maggamit ng kahoy. O kahit uling, na-try ko rin yan. Kahit uling. So, ganyan lang. Mix. And then, I have to put this on the stove. Okay? So, wait guys wait. So, ayan. Nilagay ko na siya dito. Pagkatapos niyan, we have to wait maybe mga 5 minutes lang, and then once it's 5 minutes, you have to check it again kung ba siya, kung meron ba siya, kung nag-boiling na ba siya or So, ganyan lang siya. So, once it's already boiling, and then check nyo lang siya, then after mix nyo lang siya. So, ipapakita ko ulit ninyo ang finished product. So, for now, everybody again, hi everyone, Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something about this. It's just only a sample, a leftover, and then you made it a twist. Ganyan lang siya kadali. So, thank you so much for watching this clip, and hopefully, you will never magsawa na mag-watch ng clip ko for everything that I share and to the other recipe that I'm going to share again. Thank you sa lahat. God bless you all. To God to be the glory. Amen. Para sa lahat po ito. Thank you na walang sawang thank you. Bye!